When you sign up to the Standish Group's Market Intelligence Service, there are 3 components to the service. 2 are online, which is our monthly DARTS survey and our trends analysis report. The 3rd is our personal service, which gives you inquiry privileges, and once a quarter a Standish advisor will visit you and talk about your strategies, either best practices or marketing strategies, depending if you're a user or a vendor. To get at the DARTS information, there are a couple of ways. First, if you're looking at the latest DARTS, you can click on this pie chart and we'll give you to the latest DARTS. And we do one DARTS survey every month on a different theme. You can also click on the DARTS icon, and that will give you access to the complete DARTS. So if we go back up here and click on the pie chart, we'll come to our DARTS survey for June, which is on security, and so it gives you to in graphical form initially, and if you want to see text form, you can click on the text button, and here you see a security question on applications, you see a security question on budgets. Our next question we might have is on market intelligence, and then our next question after that is on collaboration. So we can see the different questions. We have, in this case, we have 28 questions. Actually, the first 2 questions are dedicated to the application section, which we use that to drive a lot of the different questions of how they result. So we're looking at it from an application point of view. It's not generally displayed. If we click on the DARTS index, we can then see the categories, and we have 20 different categories: application, packages, budgets, business intelligence. We have security, servers, readiness. We added a new one this year called eco computing. We're looking at green technology, and we actually have that as a category and as a theme. And then if we look at it by dates, we can see that we can see the going back to 2003. 2003 is when we first put DARTS online. DARTS is actually a product that goes back to 1991, but the online version started in 2003, and we're collecting data and surveys every month. Now they do change, but we do try to keep many questions the same so we can track it over a period of time. Here we see June again, that was on security. If we look on May was on green technology. If we look at our DARTS index, again we can go look at it from a different point of view, which is we take application packages. We can then see that first question again on application packages, but if we want to do trends, we can look at it from May. Again, that was on green. On April, it was on compliance, and again we have one every month that it's a different one. We have one on readiness, we have one on open source, we have one on investments. So it changes every month, and depending on what we're looking for in terms of the trends that year, that will change the themes. Themes tend to change every year. Not wholesale, but updating, so we'll have new ones, we'll retire some old ones, as well as categories within the DARTS product. So that's the DARTS product, and that drives a lot of the decisions on best practices and trends. And if we go back to my to-go page, we can then look at the trends report, and here the latest one in June was trends in optimization, which is the current one. And again, this changes as we release the reports. We do about 12 reports a year, maybe a little more. And if we look at the list of reports, we can go in here, and again it shows the latest ones, but then we can look at trends in value, trends in open source, trends in readiness, trends in green. We have a trends in service-oriented architecture. Those continue to be updated, changed, and refined as we move from year to year. So that is our market intelligence service. As again, it has three components. One is our DART survey, other is the trends reports, and the third is the personal advice and counsel. I want to thank you for joining us in this demo, and hope to be able to help you in the future. Thank you.